Hello guys, and welcome back to my bathroom and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am showing you guys my morning skincare routine, which is nothing fancy and it's super quick. But first, I always have to wash my hands, especially now. Please wash your hands, please wear a mask because you are saving lives. We are still in a pandemic and COVID is still very much around, so wash your hands, wear a mask, sanitize everything. So I am quickly washing my face and my hair. Oh my god, my hair has been bothering me just lately, so I have to put it up with one of those claw clips literally now because it's just so annoying. But anyways, I use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser because it is super gentle on my skin, but sometimes I will use the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, usually twice a week, just to switch it up. So I'm rinsing my face with water, and then I am going to be using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser and putting a small amount on my fingertips and rubbing it so that it gets a little bit foamy, even though it doesn't really foam up at all. And I'm going to be cleansing my face with this all around. Then I will be rinsing it off and patting my face dry instead of rubbing it with a facial towel because I don't want my skin to be stretching and wrinkly when I get older. And moving on to moisturizer, I use the Hydrolife Fresh Hydration Sorbet Cream from Dior. It is this pretty blue color, and I apply it to both my cheeks, my forehead, and then my chin, and I rub that in and make sure to drag it down your neck so that your neck doesn't have any wrinkles. So here I am doing that really fast. And moving on to sunscreen. I recently just started using sunscreen. It's super important. This one is by the brand Sunbum and it is SPF 50. Here I am shaking it, and then I will apply a small amount to my fingertips. Actually, I think it was just too much. The look on my face is just pure confusion and concentration right now. So I'm gonna apply that to, again, my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. What I like about this one is that it's super lightweight, but it also doesn't cast such a white shadow or a white cast on my face, because some sunscreens are just too much, or maybe it's just because I'm pale so it doesn't really show up, but I like it because it's lightweight. And I am letting my hair down because we are done with my morning skincare routine. Oh, just kidding. We have to apply lip balm. Carmex is my favorite. I have so many tubes just lying around my house and I have to use it. It's the only one that actually makes a difference to my lips. Also because winter is coming around and this one is the only one that works. And I think that's it. Yes, that's it. That is all for my morning skincare routine. Nothing fancy, you know, super quick and easy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next week. Bye!